Good afternoon. We're having a late lunch. It's 4:34 Tuesday, the 26th of February. Having crab legs. I already cleaned them. They defrosted. I cleaned them already. Now I'm going to put them in the pot with just very little water to steam it. I'm going to put them in. Sprinkle a little Old Bay. I make a garlic butter sauce to put on top after they finish steaming. But it's just a little lunch, late lunch. And after this, I'm gonna start making dinner, which is gonna be I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but it's chicken liver. I've had chicken liver since I was a kid, and I didn't like it then. But I need some iron, and the iron pills are not working, so my next option was liver, beef liver. So I'm gonna have that for dinner. I'm gonna make that next while this is on steaming, and I'll start preparing the dinner. And as with the dinner, I already cleaned and seasoned the liver last night. Had it marinating overnight, and then I'll get to that. So now I'm going to put this on the stove. I start off with a low to medium fire. And I cover it. While that's doing its thing, I will do my garlic butter sauce in this pot. I ran out of fresh garlic. I usually put fresh garlic powder. Ran out. Went to the supermarket and forgot to get it. Got everything else but the garlic. So the garlic butter sauce is going to be consistent of a stick of butter, garlic powder. Now put everything in at the same twist. Throw everything in there. Garlic powder, a little more garlic. Garlic powder. Old Bay. And for some spice, crushed red pepper. Extra spice. Old Bay is spicy. I don't care what nobody says. It's spicy. So I'm going to just sit that here. Just sit it there and let the butter start melting on its own a little bit while the crabs is going. And I'm just going to cover it. And then I'll turn it on and let it finish melt. And that's that for the late lunch. Thanks for watching.